In this video guide for real beginners, we're gonna see how we can deactivate and activate the Play Store. Now this is an operation that probably you do by mistake. So what's the Play Store? First of all, is the app that lets you install, download and install any other app. But what happens if I accidentally delete this app? So for example, if I want to remove it, or change position, but instead I accidentally delete it like this. Say OK, and again OK. So you can see here that the app has been uninstalled. Now how can I get it back if the Play Store is the app that lets me download and install all the other apps? Now you have a couple of solutions for that. You can solve this problem by installing manually an APK file, which is gonna be the Play Store download package, install package that you need to download from a particular website. Or the other option is to go here in the settings. Now, of course, this is the easiest because when you are uninstalling the Play Store, you are not actually uninstalling from the smartphone, you are just deactivating it. So we need to place it back to the original position and activate it again. So let's search for app in the settings here, and let's go to the apps, and we need to find the default apps. So let's look for default apps. Okay, so I'm gonna click here on see all 138 apps and also click on the search and search for the Play Store. And you can see that it's already there. So I don't need to install it because most of the time you are not actually uninstalling it, but you're just disabling it. So you need to get it back from here. So click there and click enable. And now you can open it back again. That's all you need to do. Now, if you don't find it there, you just need to install it manually, and that's a little bit more complex. So my Google Play is back on. So I will scroll again from down to top and get it from there and place it back in the original position. And that's all. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to support us, please subscribe. And if you want to support us a little bit more, please join the channel. And also leave your comments, which could be questions, but also suggestions for other users. Anything that can be helpful to the community. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video guide.